Even if an alien civilization had mastered interstellar travel via wormholes or warp drives, they would still face formidable dangers when approaching Earth. The first is our atmosphere. It protects life here from harmful radiation, but also acts as a barrier. Any object entering Earth's atmosphere from space rapidly heats up due to friction with air molecules. Asteroids and even man-made objects often burn up completely on re-entry. NASA spacecraft overcome this challenge using heat-resistant tiles and controlled descent. But for an alien ship, the entry must be carefully calculated. Could their technology be advanced enough to slow down long before hitting the atmosphere? Scientists believe the answer is yes. Any civilization capable of crossing light years would surely anticipate atmospheric entry, says Dr. Chris McKay of NASA. Even if they land safely, the next problem is oxygen. On Earth, we take oxygen for granted. It powers our bodies and ecosystems, but it's a highly reactive, corrosive gas. Life on our planet has evolved over millions of years to tolerate and even harness its chemical energy. That required specialized enzymes and biological machinery. But aliens may not be adapted to it at all. Breathing our air could be toxic. Eating our food? Impossible. They might require sealed suits or controlled habitats. There's another invisible threat: germs. In H.G. Wells's War of the Worlds, Martians were defeated not by human weapons, but by Earth's microscopic bacteria. It wasn't far-fetched. When the Spanish arrived in the Americas, they brought viruses that devastated indigenous populations. The reverse could be true for alien visitors, or for us, if we ever land on their world. During the Apollo missions, astronauts returning from the moon were quarantined, not because NASA expected alien bacteria, but because they couldn't rule it out. Dr. McKay leads research in Earth's most extreme environments, like the Mojave Desert, to understand how life survives in toxic or alien-like conditions. What he finds is astonishing. Life is adaptable. There are bacteria that live in acid, in salt, in boiling water, and even in radioactive waste. They're alien in their own way, he says. So any advanced alien race would likely be cautious. They would not just land and have a picnic. They would understand biological containment. They would have to. But that raises another question. What if aliens don't come in person at all? The best strategy for interstellar exploration may be to send machines. Tiny, intelligent, self-replicating nanobots. Small objects can move faster and survive longer. A microscopic probe could travel through space at near light speed, land on a moon, and begin duplicating itself using local materials. Eventually, it could build an entire fleet. It's a concept nature already uses. Viruses spread the same way. Humans are already exploring the solar system with robotic probes like Voyager or the Mars rovers. But nanotechnology would be the next step. Billions of mini explorers moving like a cosmic swarm. So far, we've found no evidence that alien nanobots have visited Earth. But would we even recognize them if they did? Despite these possibilities, many people still claim to have seen actual alien beings, not robots, not drones, but humanoid life forms. Some even say they were abducted.